Hello. I am Minner Simon. Lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Introduction to Robotic and Controller. What is the history of robotic? Robotics has come a long way. Especially for mobile robots, a similar trend is happening as we have seen for computer systems. The transition from mainframe computing via workstations to PCs, which will probably continue with handheld devices for many applications. In the past, mobile robots were controlled by heavy, large, and expensive computer systems that could not be carried and had to be linked via cable or wireless devices. Today, however, we can build small mobile robots with numerous actuators and sensors that are controlled by inexpensive, small, and light embedded computer systems that are carried on board the robot. There has been a tremendous increase of interest in mobile robots. Not just as interesting toys are inspired by science fiction stories or movies, for example, Asimov 1950, but as a perfect tool for engineering education. Mobile robots are used today at almost all universities in undergraduate and graduate courses in computer science, computer engineering, information technology, cybernetics, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and mechatronics. What are the advantages of using mobile robot systems as opposed to traditional ways of education, for example mathematical models or computer simulation? First of all, a robot is a tangible, self-contained piece of real-world hardware. Students can relate to a robot much better than to a piece of software. Tasks to be solved involving a robot are of a practical nature and directly make sense to students, much more so than, for example, the inevitable comparison of sorting algorithms. Secondly, all problems involving real-world hardware such as a robot are in many ways harder than solving a theoretical problem. The perfect world, which often is the realm of pure software systems, does not exist here. Any actuator can only be positioned to a certain degree of accuracy, and all sensors have intrinsic reading errors and certain limitations. Therefore, a working robot program will be much more than just a logic solution coded in software. It will be a robust system that takes into account and overcomes inaccuracies and imperfections. In summary, a valid engineering approach to a typical, industrial problem. Third and finally, mobile robot programming is enjoyable and an inspiration to students. The fact that there is a moving system whose behavior can be specified by a piece of software is a challenge. This can even be amplified by introducing robot competitions where two teams of robots compete in solving a particular task, achieving a goal with autonomously operating robots, not remote-controlled destructive robot wars.